So my name's Luke Sheldon, I'm from the UK, I'm an engineer by trade, I'm 28 years old.
Donor area, as a size, it looks fine. We have two challenge points. Number one, around the ear areas and the lower part of the donor area is slightly thinned. Okay, that's number one. And number two, the thinning in the crown area is proceeding into the donor area. Okay, so it makes our safe donor zone, or the area where the grafts are resistantly falling all the time, smaller. Okay, so we need to make our extraction areas slightly smaller. But again, my personal prediction, the number we'll be able to get from you will be around the gulf of 4,000 grafts.
When I look in the mirror, I can see my hair loss. So that was this year. It was from just after my knee surgery in January to the start of July this year. So around 6 months. So yeah.
This front part and front meat part. And if you have slightly more, we'll try to go as much as we can to the back, but this will be our priority. But for the mid scalp and the crown area, look, most probably one more surgery may be needed to cover them, okay?
Doctor's drawn on my hairline, ready for surgery, so let's go get it.
Luke, when was the last time you shaved your head?
I've never shaved my head. I'm actually quite looking forward to see what it looks like.
Oh.
Also incredibly scared.
Let's check in the mirror, shall we?
It's not as bad as I thought it would be.
Yeah, it looks good.
It's not as bad as I thought it would be, that's for certain.
Actually, you can play at one of the Fast and Furious movies.
Yeah, I'll take a Vin Diesel look alike.
Yeah. We are starting the operation. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So my hair loss started when I was sort of between 18 and 21 years old. That's when I really started to notice that it was going. At that point, people start to notice, they start to take fun, and they may only mean it as a joke, but it starts to affect your confidence, and it's something that you then become really self-conscious about.
In donor side, the most important thing is the prevention of connection between extraction points. When extraction those points are connected, there is a risk that this area will have scar tissue. In your donor side, I can't see any kind of connection between extraction. Don't hesitate to contact us and ask us your questions, okay, sir? Because the surgery itself, it's only 50% of result.
Yep.
From now on, you need to pay attention, more attention to the hairs. That's it, sir.
Perfect. So I chose Smile Hair Clinic because I've got a couple of friends who have been here before and they had really fantastic results. So I thought I'd get in contact with them myself and see what they could do for me. So my operation was relatively pain-free, to be honest. I think the only thing that's going to be somewhat uncomfortable is your anaesthetic injections. After that, you won't feel anything at all. I couldn't recommend the surgery enough for someone that was really on the fence on whether they want to commit to a hair transplant. I would say that Smile Hair Clinic is probably one of the best places you could go for it. If you are debating it, talking about it, just take the first step, because that first step could transform your whole entire life. So for me, I started in the gym 10 years ago, just as a way to eat more food, and then the last 4 years I started taking it seriously because I still wasn't happy with the way I was. So I took that step, took it seriously, and now we are where we are. So I would say that if you're debating having a hair transplant, so myself, I was debating mine for 3 or 4 years before I finally came and got it done. So I think if you're really debating it and it's really affecting your confidence and you're self-conscious about it and you don't really know what to do about it, then yes, I would 100% recommend a hair transplant. And following on from that, I would always point them in the direction of Smile Hair Clinic, because for me, my experience has been fantastic. I can't say any better than that. Follow the true transformation.